Hello guys, here Spencer. So I come today in this tutorial to show you how you can change the browser into the Visual Studio Code. Or you can sometimes you can change your computer. You can install uh, your your browser, something like that, or just to restart all the program in your computer. So you want to change your browser in the live server. So I'm just going to show you how you can do it in Visual Studio Code. So you can you came here and you click right to the settings. You click the settings, and here you type live server. Okay, so here we are in the live server. So you came here where it's written edit in settings JSON. So you click there, and here you can type the name of your browser. For example, I can type Chrome. Okay. If you see, if you can see, if I come back here, and I try to run the live server, so it came here. Perfect. As you can see, I am in the Chrome. Because before I was using Microsoft Edge, but now I'm on live into Google Chrome. So I'm going to thank you for watching this video and remind you to subscribe into my channel. Click the link, like, share the video, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.